Hello guys, welcome to my channel. God bless you. Thanks for clicking on this video. Today we are making body spray and oil perfume. Today I'll be showing you how to mix fragrances to get what people are looking for in the market. Now the fragrances I poured into that container are Blue Seal and Essence, and I'm mixing exactly the volume of alcohol. In this case I'm using methanol to mix with the fragrances, and then I will package. So I have equal amount of methanol with the fragrances mixed together, and then if you have a stirring rod or whatever it is you can use to stir to have a proper mix of the fragrances, you can do that. So after stirring and you are sure that there is a proper mix, you now package. Get a nice bottle. Like this particular one I'm using is very beautiful, though expensive but beautiful. Initially I was using a spoon to fill in the bottles. I found out that was stressful. So as you will see in the video later, I started using a syringe, and that made it very easy. Now this is an oil perf, and this is Sure Man. Sure Man is that oil perf that everybody is looking for. You use Sure Man, then people will know that yes, you have used the real thing. Everybody will turn as you pass because the fragrance is wow. So I have bottles I want to fill in. They are 5 bottles. So you use a syringe and makes it easier. Now pour a container so that you can easily draw from that container, and then you have the measurement on the syringe. That makes it super easy for you to bottle your oil perfumes. So I draw in 5 ml, and quickly you just fill a bottle. Each of those bottles are 5 ml. So if you want to fill a 3 ml bottle, you see the demarcation, see the calibration, you use it. If you want to fill a 4 ml bottle, the same. Very easy, rather than using a spoon. So this is 5 ml. You just cork it. You see the roller, cork it and cover it, and it's ready. If you have a brand, you have a label or a sticker, beautiful. Or you just buy the label, carry the name of the fragrance you are using, like this one, Sure Man. Sure Man is very fine, very nice. I love perfume anytime, any day. I cannot resist the fragrance, and I know you can't, you won't be able to. The fragrance is nice. If you are doing oil perfume business and you have not made Sure Man, I tell you, you have not started. So the interesting thing about this business, you can get as many fragrances as you want, just the few samples of oils that you buy. For instance, if you buy up to 10 different oils, you can get up to 15 to 20, fragrances out of it by simply mixing. So all I do in this laboratory is to experiment. Yes, it's not like all the time they come out fine. Many times they come out not what I really wanted to see, but I don't allow that to discourage me. I keep on mixing until I get the deal. One day I know when you keep on mixing, you will get a fragrance that nobody will be able to resist. So that is why it is beautiful. You don't need to buy as many oil perfs possible, but you can make different fragrances out of the few that you have laid your hands upon. So you can make it. Now I got just few samples of oil perf. I got just 2, but I'm mixing 3 out of it, and this is because I have an order. It's trying to regulate what I'm doing. This is exactly what they wanted. So I mixed a little of Sure Man, vanilla, and then I did separate fragrances and then mix, making 3. So if you are doing for general sales, you can get 5 oils and do as many as 10 to 12 different combinations. That is all about creativity, and the more you know how to react these things together, the better it is for your business to boom. So that is what I'm doing. So you just fill in the bottles, attach sticker or label if you have, but if you don't have, you can even sell it. The taste of the pudding, they say, is in the eating. Allow them a little time. I tell you, they will keep coming back to you because these fragrances are wow. Okay, are you new to my channel? Is this the first time you are seeing my videos? Please do well to subscribe to my channel. Thank you for clicking on this video. Like this video, share to your friends, drop your comments, and please don't forget to subscribe. You can also join my community membership. You stand a chance to enjoy some special perks on the channel. So kindly subscribe to this channel, like this video, and share to your friends. Okay, so if you have watched to this point, I appreciate you. The rest that is left is for you to know how to brand your product. You can make your sticker, your label. You can also use the name of the fragrance, like Shaman. You can just print and put on it Shaman, or you can print and put your brand name, like mine is my best production. So whatever you choose to put is okay, just to enhance the quality of your product in the market. It's good that you brand your product so that people can know what exactly they are going for. All right, so the next video I'll be bringing to us is how to make laundry bar soap in another way. Very simple. Watch out that, and I know you are going to like it. Okay, this last part of the batching I'm making is vanilla, and I did not see just only itself. Like I told you, I bought 2 fragrances and I'm making 3 of it just because of the order I had. So you can as well experiment with your oils and then get different fragrances, and people will like it when you have variety, so they can choose from all that you have got. Thank you so much, family. I appreciate you. I appreciate your support. I appreciate those that have been commenting on my videos. I appreciate those that have been liking, sharing. God bless you. Thank you. I appreciate you. God bless you. All right, so we're coming to the end of the video. Just closing on this, packing everything neat, and put your label if you have. If you don't have a label, it's not a problem. You can actually convince people to use your fragrance without even a label, but it will do you good to have your brand, to have your label, to your sticker, to have the name of the company or the name of the fragrance on your bottle. That's good. All right, so the first ones I packaged are just body sprays, and I made that from Blue Seal and Essence, and I mixed it with methanol. So that is just body spray. But these little bottles are Perfumes, and they are really, really nice. The fragrances are very super alluring, and I tell you, it lasts so long. It lasts so long. That's why I love the fragrances. Okay, so this is the unique and healthy recipes. Thank you for always checking on us. God bless you. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Don't forget to like this. In fact, hit the right subscribe and turn your post notifications so that you see all our videos anytime we post. You'll be among the first people to react to our videos, and we will take note of that by God's grace. Please do me well to join my channel membership. God bless you. You can click on that button and join the membership. Thank you. God bless you. See you in the next video. Bye bye. Thank you.